Bacon here, and today I'm gonna be introducing you to something. As you can see of the title of this video, I got another spinner. So this was my old one, a red and black spinner, red bearing colors with the black body. It was extremely noisy, so I ordered another one. I have this one. It's a lot quieter, and it's a glow in the dark one, so it's got black bearings with a light blue sort of clear body that it glows in the dark. So as you can see that, you've got that. So there's sort of a big difference. As you can see, sort of big difference right there. There's black and red, and there's black and blue. So, yeah. Oh, hold on. So this one is extremely loud. The red and black one is extremely loud. Oh, I just hit the microphone. That's probably going to be loud, but this blue and black one isn't as loud. And you can just do some twirly things. You can put it on your thumb. You can balance it on your middle finger. Heck, even balance it straight up on your finger. And try to get it back to this, holding it like this or this. Woo. So that was those two spinners. I will, if you want, I'm getting another spinner soon, so I might give one of these away. I also have, I gotta reach over here. I also have this little tiny stool that I made. My dad does upholstery, and he's got at his old shop he had this like wood shop thing. So I made this in there. He had fabric, and so I just made this. It's pretty comfortable. It's got foam inside under the fabric. It's got legs. I mean, you could use it for like a little baby piano or something. Put it as the little stool. I don't know what you want to do with it, but these three things. Comment which one you would want, I guess, and I guess I'll see. Of course, you're gonna want a fidget spinner, because everybody wants one of those. So, yeah. So, I have a little something to show you with this. You might not be able to see me or see it. I mean, you will be able to see it, but let me just show you. Okay, so this is the black and the black now because of the computer screen, but still, you just got this cool light glow in the dark thing. And then we'll just not worry about it, but it is glow in the dark, and yeah. Ooh, double fidget spinner. Out. Whee! Double fidget. So, if you guys want to win this stool or one of these fidget spinners. You know what? This isn't gonna work. This isn't gonna work. So, hold on, let me just, oop, glasses, come on. There we go, so that's better. So, if you want to win this stool, very comfortable, very good for, I guess, if you have like a little brother or sister or something that would like that, then I guess go ahead and try and win it for them. Or you can win this spinner or this spinner. Those two will be in the giveaway for 50 subscribers. This will be in the same giveaway. So you can win either one of these two spinners or this bench. So if you want to win one of those, then you have to be subscribed. You have to like this video, share it, comment, fidget spinner or stool or bench, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I will get back to you, and then I'll draw the winners once I hit 50 likes, not likes, subscribers. Once I hit 50 subscribers, I will be giving away one of these fidget spinners, okay, and this bench. So, good luck to all the winners, and I will, I guess, see you in the next video. I'm breaking out. Peace, guys. Bye.